So hi guys, welcome to my first. Hi guys, I don't know how I look like right now, but it's currently a Friday. I feel like last time I spoke to you guys was on a Thursday. On a Tuesday, I mean, sorry. Like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days ago. How are you guys doing? So I flew my mom out. Went to check out some properties. But anyways, that's by the way. So how are you guys doing? How is everybody? Let me sit down, please. I'm tired. So yeah, a video is actually going up today. Today is November 8th, I think. Yeah, so I tried my best. In fact, I'm so proud of myself today because normally I always edit that day. I'll be post my video, but I was able to finish editing my videos on time and schedule it for today by 3 p.m. I'm happy that I'm having to, finish editing on time and hitting my schedule. This is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. After this ending of this vlog. And people that do weekly vlog, I'm really learning to remember that yes, I'm doing a vlog. But anyway, tomorrow and next tomorrow is my filming day, so I'll be filming. Yeah. This one not done. What is that?
That table.
Which table?
Table that you if you know that.
Let me see the table first.
It's so unnecessary dwelling about.
How?
I know that God is good.
I'm looking for this.
Sometimes
If you can detach the legs, then it's possible. But if you cannot detach the legs, then
but everything happens for
so just cut that.
it won't
This is a nice table.
always
Though.
be
You want things to the house, Abby? They're very good. They're a good table. Yeah, office.
I need
So we need to listen on this.
just like I'm making me strong, calling me
I don't know.
when we come together, just like I
Sticks.
sharpens eye, making me strong.
It's your pimento.
When we're
Decorate with me.
each other
So, hi guys. Welcome to my apartment.
together. It's so unnecessary worrying about life. I might not have it all, but I know.
Sorry, my apartment is so in Jesus' name. Can't wait to have my empty apartment. How are you guys? I'm dreaming of decorating my house to my taste. I can't wait for that time. So I'm manifesting the future. As an empty apartment, I can really picture what I would have doing here. Like, I'll definitely put an artwork here, like a big artwork, like from the ceiling down to the end of that place. So big like, cause I'm panting. So looking like a hotel. Yeah, and I can already see lots of artworks that I'll be putting, in the place. I'll be like, hey, get ready with me to my room. You guys, I cannot wait to get my empty apartment up. I can't wait to get my own apartment and start decorating and making it like a standard hotel. Like I always dream of doing that one of these days. But yeah, I need to come shine in the future. So yeah, my ponytail will not stay. Yeah, stay. Wrap. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, come on, stay, my love. Stay. Yeah. Yeah, can you put together well? I don't know if you guys are okay here. Are we okay here? Okay. Oh no, this one is lucky. Now, wow. This is what I can do here. I hope this is better. Welcome to my new apartment. I'm already rehearsing how I'm going to do my new apartment tour. My apartment hunt. Like I always dream of having my own space, like my own 2-bedroom. I arrange it, decorate it, buy my, make it into my, my team, like my brown team. I've always dreamt of a brown themed house, brown curtains, wooden floor, white. I'm property for the future. Okay, let's act like this is our current reality, even though we're getting there. But for now, this is my name. Let me take you guys on a tour. Join with me, make sure you guys my future house tour. Okay? Alright.
Just like I am, sharp inside, making me stronger, calling me high. When we come together, just like I am, sharp inside, making us stronger, calling us high. When we're helping each other, we're coming together. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, for my good, it's all working. For my good, for my good. It's all working for my good, yeah. When I think about all my plans, everything I need, always want more money to spend, 'cause I got these miles to feed. Then I think about where I've been, and I must believe that if you didn't heal good, God has been too good to me. Every good and perfect thing, let's see what today may bring. For my good, it's all working. For my good, oh, it's gonna work out. For my good, yeah.
Let me tell you just how I know when I lost it all. He returned it 100-fold, 'cause I held on to his promise. If you wonder what the future holds, if it will get better, just trust and take it slow, one foot in front of the other. Every good, perfect thing. Let's see for my good. I see it working. It's all working. Yes, it is.
For my good, for my good,
It's gotta work.
it's all working.
For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever.
For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever.
He's good, real good. He's good, and His mercy endures forever.
Oh, is that Nigerian?
No, it doesn't go deep. I think it's because of weight. Homeboy. Carrying a knife. That reminds me of. I go. It's already past 2. Our meeting is by 3.
So guys, I just go back to my house currently. I made an order on Chowdeck. I don't know why some vendors will just be giving you order that I didn't order for, or they'll give you just a fake. I don't know what to say. I need to get back to the boat driver if they have. I said boat driver to the Chowdeck rider if they refunded me yet, or they had to courier the order. I sent my complaint to their customer support. So they said they will get back to the vendor and get back to me. This is like 25 minutes. I'm not gotten back to me yet. So annoying. Imagine ordering something, then they'll give you less. Probably order like 4 water, for example. They'll send one to you and then not send the rest. And this is vendor specific. What's up, babe? Let me call this child right and tell him that I've not gotten any message from child yet. Hello? Yeah, I've not heard from them yet. They've not gotten back to me yet.
So I should bring that?
Yes, bring it, please. Alright, thank you. So you guys, let me drop you guys down here. I hope I can be seen. So hi guys, I just got back home like a few minutes ago. So I don't think I've eaten anything today. I think I ate just bread and like butter in the morning. This is currently like 10 minutes past 6. So I ordered what I'll eat for dinner from Child Egg. And they didn't give me like the complete thing I ordered for. So I had to like send their customer service a message to look into it. So which they are still currently doing. I sent them a message like probably like 25 minutes ago and they said okay back to me, but I'm still waiting. They haven't gotten back to me yet. So the vendor, so my rider, I don't know, I think he went back there to confirm why there was a mishap in the order. So they said yeah, that's true, I actually ordered this amount that are going to send it back to me. So the rider was asking me if they have refunded to me or if he should bring the order back to me. So I'm like, they have not answered me, so you can as well just bring it. Yeah, so how are you guys doing? So yeah, this is I'm really learning to get used to the weekly vlog. Actually, I don't know, I was doing something else right now, so I was just thinking I'm doing the weekly vlog, like carry a camera and follow through. So yeah, so you guys currently, I used to edit with my Capcut on my phone before when I was editing. I'm not editing on my phone, so I got a laptop, so I started editing on my laptop. And I want to try out this new editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro. So I started editing Adobe Premiere Pro, right? I mean, I've been learning it, step by step. I've been learning it slowly. I think I'm gradually getting a hint of how to use the but it's so much stress. I don't know why whenever I film my iPhone, because I normally before I used to film my Samsung, but now I started learning. So now I got an iPhone, right? So I started filming my iPhone. So whenever I try to like move my clip from my iPhone to my Adobe Premiere Pro editing software, they will decrease the quality like so bad. So I had to like go to YouTube and go and check what may be causing such. So they said you have to, you have to change one thing like that in your setting, blah blah blah. And now I already filmed like lots of content already in my phone. So does that mean that through like when I import them now to my editing software to start editing, I have to start doing some correction, blah blah blah. And the another part is that iPhone films very high quality videos already. Like the video quality in your iPhone is already clear, like crisp and clear, So now having to start editing the clips again because it has reduced the quality, it doesn't give you back that clear crisp iPhone video quality, right? And it's so annoying that I have to go through that and I have to not get my high quality video, blah blah blah. So I'm trying to see if I can get back to my Capcut because I don't want stress. Honestly, I don't like stress. So I want to see if I can get back using my Capcut on my laptop. Adobe Premiere Pro seems to have like so much. It's so complex. Like why should it be complex? Why are you even complex? Look at it be simple and effective. Just like Capcut is very simple, very straight to the point, and very easy to understand, and it does the job perfectly well. The problem now is that it's now monetized, but I feel like most editing software are monetized now. You have to pay a certain fee to be able to use them. But please, I'm trying to even see if I can start setting up my Capcut on my system and see how I can navigate the interface, because I feel like the Capcut on the phone is quite different from the Capcut on the laptop. and I think I'm very confident with my Capcut on my phone for both my YouTube videos and Instagram videos, but I don't think I'm so learned in the laptop section. I feel like they differ. Like the Capcut on your phone and the Capcut on your system have different interfaces. So I'm trying to see if I can learn the Capcut interface. So I'll see if I can edit my next video on Capcut and edit it and let it come out, let it come out in a crisp and clear video quality. Not on Adobe Premiere Pro, have to like reduce my video quality. Is so annoying, even though I like some effects in Adobe Premiere Pro, I can easily edit my videos because in the audio part of a video is the way it is in Adobe Premiere Pro, so it's kind of like easier to edit. But I mean, I want my video quality to be clear and nice and clean, not what I'm getting right now. So I don't know, I'll see if I can learn set up my Capcut. So I'm currently doing that right now. Let me show you guys. I'm trying to navigate. Yeah, so this is my Capcut interface. I'm trying to even learn what all of these features are. I don't know if you guys can see. I think it's kind of blurring out. So yeah, I have to tell how to maneuver all these features because I normally use it on my phone, so I understand my phone software, my phone interface very well. But this one, I'm just trying to like navigate this. So this video, I already posted this video already on my channel. This is my get to know me video, but I've done that already. I'm trying to honestly see if I can navigate. I don't know if you guys see my face. Let me put you guys well. I don't know. My camera, please stay well. I beg. I don't have the energy. I hope you guys can see me though. I don't know if you guys can see me. Can you guys see me now? I guess so. So that's what I'm currently doing. This is Friday. Today is Friday. Today is November 8th. I meant to go to church this evening, but I don't think I'm going to church. I'm not going to church this evening. I want to see what I can get used to here in this software. And that thing, I don't know, I'm trying to see how I can clean my lap. See, I don't know if these things are like oil or dust or dirt. See, when I try to clean it, it just still leaves this kind of like. Do you guys do anything there? Can you guys recommend in the comment section maybe what you guys use to clean? Oh gosh, I don't know if clothes. I think I've used clothes before, but it doesn't just. If I let me try clothes and get back, let me try clothes now, safe. Oh, okay. It's still there. It's not like cleaning like that. Doesn't necessarily go. It's just I don't even know. I'm tired. Hey, what that press, Jehovah? Hey, command Z. Better. Command Z again. There. Okay, that works. Thank God for command Z. If not, I'll have for everybody.
It's hard to see in a world that's going crazy. It changes like the leaves.